Hello, my name is Christopher Hager, and this is my rendition of the monologue Facing Death. Why is Death taking the train? What? Maybe he's not in a rush anymore. Modern medicine keeping people alive longer these days, right? Oh, maybe he's being environmentally aware. Trains do burn much less energy than cars now. He's just doing his part to help the environment. Oh, well done. I'd like to believe there is a heaven, Gives me hope for a better future knowing that Death's standing right there. What? Don't tell me to calm down. What if he's here for me? I wouldn't want him to rush things. He should just sit down and enjoy. Oh, God! Oh, God! Maybe I should just face death head on. He's got no face.